Now guys, I will going to teach you how you can create your ChatGPT account. So just open your browser and just search here ChatGPT. Okay, click on enter and then you will see this first link by a company openai.com. So just click on this first link. Then you will see this option of a try ChatGPT. Okay, just tap here, then you will see this option of a sign up. Okay, so just click on this sign up button and then you can just click on this continue with Google, or you can either put your email address. I will choose with continue with Google. Allow your Google account to access it. Just wait for few seconds, then it will going to ask you some information, so just continue it. You have to just verify your phone number. Okay, so you can just tick mark yes, and then you just have to put your phone number. Okay, so let me just give my phone number. You can just send SMS instead. Okay, so it's totally depend on you, so I will just click on send SMS. Now whatever mobile number you have put, so there you will going to get one OTP code. Okay, 6-digit code, so you just need to put that code. Okay, so for example in my case my code is, then you have to just verify this one and then click on next, click on next, click on done. So here you can see this is your chat gpt dashboard. Okay, so this is how you can set up your chat gpt account very easily. Okay, so now let's ask to chat gpt what are the popular faceless YouTube niche ideas. Okay, so you can just type here, give me popular faceless YouTube niche ideas. Okay, so it is very much great because sometimes what happen, we basically uh, don't willing to show our face, so at that time it is very much important to know which are the popular faceless YouTube niche ideas that will going to help us to create some YouTube videos, and we can just upload on YouTube and we can make money with YouTube. Okay, so here you can see that this is the result basically ChatGPT has given me. I can just copy it again and I can also tell him to give me, let's say uh, 20 popular faceless YouTube niche ideas. Okay, so here you can see ChatGPT is saying that I'm sorry, but 20 items is too many. Generating a list with too many items may not be helpful to the user. Okay, so but still it has generated some ideas as well. But basically, to the best, it has given you the 10 best, you know, popular faceless YouTube niche ideas that you can work on. Okay, so now you can use ChatGPT to find out, very amazing video ideas for your YouTube channel. Okay, so for example, you can just say to ChatGPT, can you please provide me 20 videos idea, um, 20 video ideas on. Then you can just put the quotation and you can say 10 ways to. Okay, you can put dash dash, again put quotation, and what you can do is that you can just put or you can just click on shift and enter and you can say my niche is make money, right? And click on enter. Okay, so now chat gpt will going to give you, 20 best ideas to make money for your YouTube videos. Okay, so you can see that it is saying that you can make money by investing in stocks, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, online survey, freelance work, renting, selling handmade items. So there are plenty of things: starting a blog or YouTube channel, participating in market research, And there are plenty more, like selling goods and service and favor, starting a virtual assistant business, starting a cleaning and organization business, selling items on Amazon or eBay, photography. And these are the stuff which ChatGPT is going to give you. Also you can mention for the 30, 40, 100, but you have to make sure that what will be your niche is very much important. For example, I know my niche is make money. Maybe your niche can be let's say related to traveling. Okay, so whatever your niche is, just tell to ChatGPT like this, and it will going to give you ideas for which you can create your YouTube videos. Okay, now guys, we will going to upload our video basically. Okay, so you can just go to your YouTube channel. Okay, and create our video. Okay, so just click on this plus button, click on upload video, select file, and here you just have to upload the video which you have created. So we have created this make money with affiliate marketing video. Okay, just upload this video. Now for title, you can just copy your title for whatever topic you have made for your video. Just go to ChatGPT and say uh, write 10 catchy YouTube titles for topic, then put quotation, paste your topic, and click on enter. Now ChatGPT will going to mention 10 catchy YouTube title. Okay. Okay, but there's one more thing which you can do is that just re again paste this thing, and here at this time you have to just tell one thing, that write 10 catchy YouTube title for topic, this one, and just click on shift and enter, and just write title should be SEO optimized. So basically SEO helps to rank your blogs and videos. So now okay, so sometimes this error happens, so at that time you just simply need to refresh your chat gpt. Okay, now here you can just put uh, title should be SEO optimized. Okay, now it will going to write the amazing titles. Okay, make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, the ultimate guide. Okay, so whatever you want to go with, okay, you can just go with that, but I will go with this because here what is happening with this title, my make money with affiliate marketing is coming completely. You can see it's coming completely, like make money with affiliate marketing is mentioned here. So this is my main keyword, right? Make money with affiliate marketing. So I will going to choose this one because I think this will be very much good and catchy. I will copy this. I will just go here and I will just remove it. Right click, click on paste your new title which you have created. Okay, now tell ChatGPT write SEO optimized YouTube uh, description on keyword, just put quotation, this is your main keyword, right click, click on copy and paste it here, close the quotation and click on enter. Now it will going to write a very optimized YouTube description for you guys. Okay, great. Now you can just simply copy this, go to your YouTube channel, right click and just paste it. Okay, and now if we just talk about our text, so for text you can just go to one tool which I am suggesting you guys. Okay, uh, that tool is rapid text. Okay, so you can just search for this tool called as rapid text, which I use a lot. Go here, click on use tools for free, and here you will find this keyword tool. So here, whatever your main keyword on which you have made your video, okay, on which you have made your video, you just need to copy that, and you just need to right click and just paste it. Search for this, and here this tool will going to provide you all the amazing keywords. You just need to copy this, and you have to go to add tag, right click and paste all the tags. That's it. Okay, very great. Okay, and now even you can just choose the thumbnail as well. We will going to talk about how you can uh, create thumbnail, and you can even make it unlist. For now you can just make it unlist. Okay, we will going to publish it later on when we will going to create thumbnail for our video. Just go to content, and this was your video, right?